Hey folks, Ben here. I just wanted to show you a quick experiment I'm doing with my Google Sheet here. So I'm going to just flip my camera around now and show you this Google Sheet. So here is the Google Sheet, and it's a virtual Nest thermostat. So I'm going to zoom out to 50% so you can see it. There we go, there it is. And what I'm going to do is just change the value here. Let's go to 80, and it's hooked up to my actual Nest thermostat using the smart device API. So I'm going to control my house temperature from my Google Sheet. So we'll change this to 80. Check my thermostat on the wall. Boom. It moves to 80. Let's try that again. So I decided that's too hot. I decided actually I want to go for 60. Go back to the thermostat on the wall. Boom, down to 60. So I'm controlling my Nest thermostat from my Google Sheet. So I better put it back to 71. All right. Thanks, folks. Bye-bye.